Welcome to Yoga Flow on the Go, presented by Autoscope. I'm Sonia Azad. Driving can be super stressful. There's no way around that, but we can make it a little bit more peaceful just by using our breath. We're going to practice box breathing. You inhale for 4, hold for 4, exhale for 4, and hold the breath out for 4. Let's try it together. Inhale, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold the breath. 3, 2, 1. Exhale. 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold the breath out. 3, 2, 1. Try to breathe in and out through your nose. And remember, keep your hands on the steering wheel and the eyes on the road. Join us next week for more Yoga Flow on the Go, presented by Autoscope. I'm Sonia Azad. Until then.